Megan Bettis from Channel 6. I'm here to interview some people about their neighbor Boo Radley. He seems very suspicious. Hello, I'm here to interview neighbors of Boo. Hello, I'm Megan Bettis. What's your name?
I'm Jim.
Hello, I'm Megan Bettis. What's your name?
I'm Scout.
This is Jim and Scout, neighbors of Boo. So Jim, what rumors have you heard about Boo Radley in this town?
People say he walks through the night and peeps in people's windows. Every crime that is committed, they blame on him.
So Scout, what have you heard about the Radleys?
Well, it's good not to touch anything of the Boo Radley's family because everything's poison and bad.
What else have you heard, Jim?
Legend says that when Boo Radley was a younger child, he hung out with the wrong crowd and made a gang. They drank, partied, and vandalized. One day they got caught and they resisted arrest. The boys got locked away, but Boo Radley's dad locked them up in the house. They didn't see Boo Radley for 15 years.
Okay, well, I'm here interviewing another neighbor of Boo's, Miss Stephanie Crawford. What rumors or experiences have you had with Boo Radley?
Well, there was one time that I know of that Boo was cutting some newspaper and his father walked by and Boo took the scissors and stabbed his father in the leg.
Dang, why?
I don't know, but the police came to pick him up, but Mr. Radley would not press charges on Boo and would not let him leave with the police.
That's crazy. I would have had him arrested.
Well, I don't know why, but that crazy old man never lets Boo out of that house.
Have you ever had personal experiences that happened with you and Boo or anything?
Yes, one time I jumped Boo Radley's fence and my pants got stuck and ripped completely off my body. And I know I get in trouble, so I ran all the way home. Yeah, it is. And
Did you get in trouble?
No, because I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning and went back, and then I got the pants and they're all fixed up. So I was like, whoa. And one of his friends must have did it, cause.
Are you sure it could have just been Boo that did it for you?
That's probably true. It was probably him. But I'm not that sure.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
What about you, Scout? Have you ever had personal experiences with Boo or anything?
Well, one time, me and Jim were playing outside and I accidentally fell in front of his house.
Wow, that was like creepy, right?
Yes, it was.
Okay, well, anything else that you've heard or seen?
Yes. One day there was a fire and we had to come outside and it was very cold. And Boo Radley came up out of nowhere and he just put a blanket over Scout.
It's so cold.
Anything else? Well, before Boo's father filled up the tree hole,
He used to leave gum, candy, and toys there for us.
well, there you have it, the legend and stories of Boo Radley. No one knows if he's dead or alive.
Every day I'm shuffling. Shuffling.